An infant also practices nepotism. Have you ever heard this term anywhere before? So stay tuned till the end of the video to know more. Hello guys, so today I'm going to speak about the topic which speaks for itself, and it has not only engulfed the entertainment world but the complete world as a whole. It is nothing but nepotism. Also guys, I'll tell you each and everything you need to know about it and how it has spread its wings throughout the world. Guys, if you like this kind of content, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the bell notification icon beside it so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. Please like my videos, please share it with your friends, and thanks for commenting. Today I have made some pointers and I'm gonna look over them while speaking. Guys, I am your host Shubro. Welcome to Shubro the Geek. Let's begin, shall we? So the word nepotism, according to Oxford English Dictionary, means, let me read it out to you, the practice among those with power or influence of favoring relatives or friends, especially by giving them work. This had been practiced by kings and queens some 400 or 500 years back, where the child of the king or the queen were made the next king and the queen of the province, however incapable they might be, and the law and right of democracy had stopped it. Now my friend, you might be thinking nepotism is practiced at a certain stages and certain places of the world, and that, my friend, where you got everything wrong. Nepotism has not only engulfed the entertainment industry of Bollywood but the complete world as a whole. How? Let me give you some examples to make you understand better. So at the very beginning of this video I began with an infant also practices nepotism. How? Say for example, when an infant is given two toys and it chooses one over the other, it starts practicing nepotism. This can be seen more vividly in schools where some of the teachers give some special benefits to some of the students. Say for example, giving them the post of class representative, so giving them extra marks in examinations, giving them the post of head boy or head girl, only because they have taken personal tuitions from them. This can also be seen in the college life. And this can more vividly be seen in the office life, where a junior and a senior, if they are related with some non-official matters, then the junior, however of less caliber with other people of the same rank, is given much more benefit than those people. So you see, in each and every growth phase of human life, nepotism can be seen. According to me, nepotism is just an act, and we should hate that act and make the person reform. Those persons practicing it we should make those persons reform so that our future generations are brought up in a much better place than we are today. Now you guys might be thinking this has only spread its wings to Bollywood. Let me give you an example where it can be seen in each and every walk of life. Few months back we heard that the child of a famous cricketer was given a position in the cricket team, irrespective of someone who had much more caliber than that child, because he was the son of that cricketer, famous cricketer. See, that place also had nepotism. Now my friend, in India we are all showing our age to the people of Bollywood, whereas we should show our age to that act and not those people. This nepotism can also be seen in the Indian political system. Let me tell you, on 20th June, I was deeply saddened when I heard that the famous actor Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide due to depression, which was indirectly due to nepotism. And my friend, let me tell you something about depression. Depression can be fought. You should live for your mother, for your father, for your brother, for your sister, or anyone who loves you. Sushant had his father and he never thought of them. Please think about them. What will they feel after you are gone? And if you have anything to say, please do comment. If I can help you in that, I would love to. So let's get back. So I was talking about we should hate that act of nepotism. and should reform those persons. And if we can do so, we can fight the corruption in our country. And if we fight corruption, we can make India from a third world country move to the first world country. So my friend, please fight nepotism. So I think I have made my point clear and made the points of nepotism understood to you guys. And for contents like this, please subscribe to my channel. Please share it with your family and friends so that they get to know I am making this kind of content. Please like, share and subscribe and comment on my channel. This was pointed out to me by a very good friend of mine, Annie. I have given her link in the description box below. Please follow her on Instagram, and while you are at Instagram, please follow me too. My handle is S2K the Geek. And if I have made anyone or hurt anyone by my words over here, please forgive me for the same. I'm extremely sorry, but I had to speak because this is the truth which I have seen and experienced throughout my life. And thank you for bearing with me. It was your host Shubro the Geek signing off.